that you've been having some trouble finding your place in the world. I know how much that hurts, but if you need a friend, then please just say the word.
Okay, Lacy is gonna cook Uncle Leaf some eggs in the microwave. Ready? Woo! We have a it is a Tupperware thing, and you can cook eggs in the microwave with it. Wait a minute, we didn't crack it enough. All right. Let me get a paper towel because we gotta wipe our hands off.
And then could I stir it?
I gotta get you a fork to stir it with. I do have off here.
Okay, wipe my hands off.
Whoa, don't fall. All right, stir it with the fork.
You can't
Just keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. Don't stir it too much, don't swash it out. I'll put a little bit of salt in it. And a little bit of pepper in it. Now stir, stir, stir.
I want to need something else in it.
And I'm gonna put some cooking spray in this.
Yes.
And put the lid on it, and we'll put it in the microwave for 90 seconds, and it'll cook Uncle Leaf 2 eggs.
Ooh.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Don't tell Uncle like that I was cooking it.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Whoa.
All right, you ready to pour them in there?
Yep.
Good job.
I did it.
You did do it.
Hey, I want to put his eggs in the microwave.
Okay. Well, don't shake it. Hold it straight up like that, okay? If you turn it sideways, they'll spill. Put them in there.
I want to close
All
it.
right, close it.
Alright, have you and Daddy ever used the term, if your friend were to jump off a bridge, would you do it too?
Yeah.
Did I
I'm making
break my foot off?
eggs.
Did I break my foot off on one of your butts?
Hey,
Whenever you said that?
I'm making eggs for you, Uncle Leaf.
Are
Hey.
you cutting it off? I will edit it.
I cut it off and I cut it off.
That's the oven. You look.
You're so weird.
You're weird. Hey, can't we cook those in this thing? Or is it faster in the oven?
I don't know. I've never tried it in that.
I think Nana's oven. Or Daddy took it in. I think it was Nana's door.
All right, Uncle Leaf's eggs are out. Wait a minute, it's hot, Lacy. Ready?
Yes.
Look at there. Where'd you get that little thing?
It's Tupperware.
Come here, Uncle Leaf. I want to show you.